There's a lot. God, this neck way. 8 hours late. Let's pack another kit. Because last time when she saw like I've got this and she was like, oh, that's really cute, can I have it? I was like, no, because I'm gonna have to give that to my colleague. I took some time to just like finally like found another one. Let's pack her gift with me. So I don't know, she's so picky about stuff. Like last year, yeah, I don't know, actually, yeah, whatever. But then I got this one. I've seen this a lot on TikTok. I don't know, is it actually like good? They say this one's actually good. I want to find out like where is it from, because I really want to know. No, I cannot open this one too, so we can just have a look. The outside one. Oh, this one is herb rose, and this one is peppermint, and this one is sandalwood, jasmine. I think I'm gonna like this one the most, or if not this one. I don't know. Hopefully she's gonna like this. So to set up, I'm just gonna pop that in here. I'm gonna show you. So it's like this. Look, since it has like empty, got one more thing I've been using for I don't know, for like forever. Actually no, actually only like roughly 4 years. What are this? Actually got this one. They were like pink and then rabbit, and also what was the other one, like panda? I believe it was panda. You know, darky one is like the cutest. You know why I chose this one? Because if you look at the packaging, because this one stands out a lot. Like look, it can be a phone hold. You know, you buy one product for like multi-purpose use. Without further ado, gonna just move on to now. The bag is full. One thing that like I'm not used to is, you know, this is cute bag. It's cute bag. I admit that this is cute. You know, giving kind of like kitty, bright and sunny picnic day. The paper. Why does it have to be like? It's just doesn't match, you know. I'm still gonna wrap this up. This is good enough. I'm so big. You know, before ancient world, you wrote a letter and you had to like, you know, from a woman to like a man. I don't know, from lover to another lover. I don't know. They spray perfume to express my love. That feels great. It smells like baby powder. Oh, by the way, the perfume that like I'm using is I use a lot of them. This one, I don't know what is it called. This one is really good, guys. It doesn't last that long, but it's really good. It's affordable. Like, how much was it again? It was I think it was $15. Yeah, so that's why. But like, I like how it's like, you know, it's so practical. Like, just to hold and then spray. Yeah, it's just like this, and then from the front. You would think that, oh, it's a huge bottle for like $15, but actually no. I'm using this for work. I work 3 days a week. And yeah, it's actually lasts pretty long. I'll be right back because I gotta go now. Hi guys, come and get it ready with me to go for a birthday party. I was just kind of like packed a good. We decided, me, her and her sister, go to have dinner at a Italian restaurant. I'm kind of like running late right now. I have to like get ready quickly because I'm running late. I have to do laundry before I leave. So yeah, that's the plan. I went out for like a whole day, so not the whole day, but like since this morning, so that's why I just have to like wash my face again because I don't wanna do makeup like whilst there are like dirts and stuff on my face. Skincare a little bit. Ready to put on some makeup. Oh, by the way, this is my morning, routine. Hey, why are there 3? No, it was supposed to be 2. Okay, so I think my cat is calling me. We do not have time, baby. We don't have time. You know what cream that I've been loving? It's this one. Yeah, you can only store it after like open the packaging for like 6 months. I have to like repurchase every 6 months. You used it after like it's open for more than 6 months. No, it's kind of like breaks me out. So I learned from my mistake. It seems it's like it's at night, so I'm not gonna put any of the sunscreen on. Okay, today outfit, for tonight outfit, I'm thinking of like wearing, kind of like cute top, long sleeve by the way, and have a little dress on, and then I'm gonna wear it with like BRB. It turned out so well, so actually it's not that. And for today I'm just gonna do some like simple makeup. I'm not gonna do any primer, sorry. Okay. Should I just hold my mirror? It's pink too. This cushion is medium coverage, but it's a bare coverage. Yeah, it's a bare cushion, and it does what it says because you don't feel anything on your face. And then when you do like around your nose, just do it like this. Do you see how the hand placement? So it can get to the corner. I can't talk right now. When you're doing like with the puff, you have to spend a lot of time spreading it around because you don't want it to look cakey, and also they all even out. Your face is not just like bam. I'm gonna be using this one, Innisfree. Okay, still glowing. Quickly jumping on to brown. Oh, fuck. I think that's good enough. I'm gonna set it. Okay, I think that's good enough. That's good enough. I'm gonna use Roman. Use like a smaller brush. The eyelash color. What? Huh? Not yet. Give me maybe like 15 more minutes. Okay, bye. I don't know how to contour, guys. I haven't. How natural it is. Can you see? It's not that bad. It's not that bad. Just I don't know. I've been so obsessing with like espresso, brownie, coffee kind of like liner. Just gonna walk. Just gonna part it, separate, and just clip that on. Ding. Layer ấy. Anh thấy không chị? My lip. Quickly doing what is in my bag. So I got hand cream and I got hand sanitizer, lip oil, lip balm, some tissue, mirrors, and that's it. For lip, I'm just gonna go with something pink. Okay, bye guys. I gotta go now. Thank you.
Can you take photos? Yes. Can you take them to take photos? Meow. Okay, so that is Nita's one. She's copying me. Oh, I'm beautiful. Hey, you copied me. Huh? I think so. Oh, thank you. I got a steak and then salad. That's what I want. On that one. And then gnocchi. Đã cắt từng chân đi.
Yeah, I'll show you. He's really good. It's very
Ooh. It's a bit slow.